Hi, and welcome to Digital Flying Point. My name is Kapil Gupta, and in today's video, we are going to learn the importance of digital marketing in 2020. I'll share my screen. So, I'll just tell you that I have used your MindMeister tool in order to prepare an outline for today's topic, and also it gives you a a better presentation in within minutes. So, let's start the slideshow. So, importance of digital marketing in 2020. Introduction. Let's understand what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is any form of marketing that exists online. It is the process of interacting with the potential customers through digital channel with the goal of getting them to do something like buying a product. Digital marketing is used for creating awareness and for generating leads. Digital marketing now has become an asset to the business. In business, in order to run these digital marketing techniques and channels, there are digital marketers. Digital marketers have a clear picture how each and every campaign run supports the business and help them achieve their goals. Usually digital marketers focuses on KPIs, which are key performance in indicators, to properly measure the company performance from each and every channel. Let's understand what are the different channels of digital marketing. The different channel of digital marketing are content writing and blogging. Content writing or content marketing is one of the most effective channels of digital marketing. uh, it brings in potential leads which can also become your potential customers in future, provided the information provided in your blog is really relevant and engaging to the customer. The greater the content, the greater will be the organic traffic on the website, and greater the organic traffic, the greater will be the leads for potential customers. Search engine optimization helps your website to be displayed in the search engine using keywords. Search engine optimization also helps to rank your your website better on search engine. There are always two elements of digital marketing. There are always two elements of digital marketing, which is traffic and conversion. SEO generated traffic has more potential to get in more potential customers, and these customers visited by SEO are genuine visitors, and they have their interest into the brand. Social media, as we all know, we have social most of the people are busy on social media or engaged on social media. So it's always better to market your product on social media. Email marketing is one of the most profitable channel of marketing in digital world, because it provides you with personalization and creates a comfortness between the business and between the business and the consumer. SEM and PPC. SEM is nothing but search engine marketing, wherein you can run paid advertisement on search engines when your website is not been displayed in the organic search results. Let's move ahead and understand the reasons to focus on digital marketing. The reasons to focus on digital marketing are as follows. Reaches people where they spend most of their time and money. About 97% of the people use social media, and they visit social media once a month. Mainly, most of them visits every day. So when the people who visits every a platform where they visit every day, it's better to market the product there, because they are already engaged on that social media platform, and placing a relevant brand in front of them or a product in front of them also will engage the customer with the business. Now, second, can easily compete with larger corporations. Uh, let's take an example of Walmart. Walmart is one of the most bigger companies in retail business. In retail business, Walmart is one of the most bigger company. They have a bigger advertising budget. The competitors startup companies will not have that budget uh, to compete in the market. Digital marketing has provided a platform where these small businesses can compete with the larger businesses, and get explode to larger business audience in smaller budgets, more targeted, or I would say more targeted audience. Let's take an example of a magazine ad. For example, you definitely do some targeting. If your target audience read a publication, you have a control over the placement and size. That ad may reach 1 million readers, but what percent of million is actually your target? A particular fashion magazine might have a demographic of 59% female, ages from 35 to 55, and they are interested in type of fashion depicted in the magazine, but there's a huge demographic. Digital marketing helps you to dissect this huge demographic, create highly relevant ads for the specific or the targeted audience, and influence them into decision making process. With Google uses search advertising, where you can target people with specific challenge, goal, profession, education level, buying behavior, and much more. It gets highly personalized. It is highly personalized. Talking about personalization, email marketing is one of the most effective channel of marketing used into digital world, and it provides a personalization to the end customer. 72% customers prefer businesses using email to communicate with them. This gives people a sense of control and makes more comfortable while signing up the emails for them or even buying a product. Easy to scale and adapt. Also, the benefits of email personalization will increase the open rate of the mail, higher email click through rate, increase in customer satisfaction, also increase in sales. Now, gives a really advanced analytics. Let's take an example of a TV ad. The agency through which we are doing a TV ad can only give us the frequency of the TV ad, and the best timing to promote the ad, but it cannot give me the exact details of who and how, and who interacted with the ad. Digital marketing provides you with this information using Google Analytics and other tools like Google Search Console, etc. With digital marketing, you know the following about your ads and users: whether they actually saw it with TV, whether you know that even how much they could have been in the kitchen or at the TV, if they interacted with it, if they liked it, if they lingered on it, if they shared it with a friend, if it prompted another action, if it led to a sale down the road. So these are the features that you can go through if you promote an ad through digital means using Google Analytics, and Google Analytics will give each and every details of this. You can also learn more about the people interacting with the ad, who is most interested in the ad, what are they like, what makes them more likely to take an action, who is easiest to convert, who spends more, what do they do online, what terms do they use to find you online, which website did they use that led them to yours. Now understanding that the digital marketing is very easy to scale and adapt. As with any other marketing, there is always an initial investment required to get the traffic flowing. But the importance of digital marketing to small businesses becomes very clear when you see how it is easy to scale and adapt as your business grows. For example, a social media campaign, display ads, or a search ad you can choose on a daily budget. You can exactly know how much the campaign will cost you. Now if you begin to see the results, you don't have to go in and renegotiate on an ad spot to keep the ad running. Your ad continues uninterrupted. As you can continue to convert the traffic, you can just increase the daily spend and revenues with it. If something is not working in your marketing, you don't have to wait for an ad contract to run out. You don't have to start from scratch. You can just modify. You have all the power, to do the small change, modify the ad and relaunch at the same time. Then it gives a better return on investment. The best return of investment is from email marketing. It is around 38,000%, 3,800%. So the best return on investment is on email marketing. It has the highest return on investment on any marketing method, period. It can get whooping of 3,800% return. That's $38 in revenue for every 1% dollars, $1 spent. Then other means of return on investment are content marketing and also social media. Now getting aligned with the it gives proper alignment how people will today's generation shop. So 88% people consider online review as an important part of buying decision. 23% of people buys their business visit your business after reading good reviews on. So it is really important to list your website or your product online, because the better the presence of the product and with the better content, the better will be the buying and the customer acquisition through it. Now, okay. So now moving on to traditional versus digital marketing. Traditional marketing versus digital marketing. The cost in traditional marketing is way much too expensive than digital marketing. Digital marketing is less expensive and it comes into budget of any startup. It is also taking less time. It also takes less time. Traditional marketing has a specific reach of geographical region, while digital marketing has a reach of entire globe. Any potential customer sitting anywhere in the world could see a digital ad about the product. In traditional marketing, there is no flexibility of respondents. The respondents cannot react to the ads they saw, cannot interact with it. Whereas in digital marketing, as soon as the potential customer comes across an ad, they do have the option and flexibility to respond to the ad by either providing the information of the of their personal details, or uh, or by buying the product. Let's move on to the last section of this video, which is conclusion. So let's understand buyer's journey. So the buyer's journey has changed tremendously over last decade. How and where we view information has become mainly digital. There are many reasons for this shift. Digital marketing helps businesses to reach their target audience effectively and consistently. You can optimize your campaign to achieve success on a monthly and even daily level basis. This makes digital campaign incredibly customizable and tailored to your businesses. It also helps to evaluate to support the campaign success. So that's how a buyer's journey has changed now. People prefer to buy any product online because the information is wisely available, and they check if and they also get information about the product, the review of the product, etc. The top influencers into digital marketing are Neil Patel, Saurav Jain, and Digital Deepak, which is Deepak Kanakuraju. Uh, they are the top influencers into digital marketing and best in their game. They have built their websites, or they have built their presence on digital platform by combining all the channels together, by writing content, by doing SEO, getting presence on social media using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. They have their own YouTube channels in order to explain in depth of digital marketing. They send emails to their prospect buyers. Like, I will give you an example of Digital Deepak uses email marketing, and since email marketing is one of the most effective tool, he uses email marketing to sending his course details and to interact with his uh, potential customers. Yeah, so that's it for all. This is how I can explain that how digital marketing has become so important in 2020, and become important in 2020. And I hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, just drop a like, enter to the comment section and give us a feedback how we can improve ourselves. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and good luck.